YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. And this has been very requested, highly requested by all the subscribers out there, man, since I did that last video. Now, the idea actually came from this channel right here, Thomas the Franchise. Now, I seen this thumbnail and I'm like, yo, that's hard. And I watched the video, but he never really spoke about the shoe. I mean, he didn't really speak about how to do it. A lot of people in the comments are asking, how do you do this? How do you do this? But he's not answering, you know what I mean? You have to answer these subscribers because without y'all, there'd be no us, you know what I mean? So, hey, let's get into it. We are going to do it with this shoe right here, the UNC Obsidian Jordan 1s that just came out. Now, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I did this whole video already. I did it. And the sneaker I chose to do it was the LA to Chicago's. And the purple laces in the LA to Chicago's do not match the shoe at all. So, sit back, relax. We are gonna lace up this shoe. I'm gonna go sail on the bottom and the navy blue at the top. Keep it pushing. Hopefully you guys like this video. It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. All right, y'all, like I said before, we're gonna do the sail down here and we're gonna do the navy at the top of the shoe. Now, we're not gonna take forever on this video. Like I said, man, shout out to Thomas the Franchise. Check out that YouTube channel. It's pretty dope. I'm subscribed to it, so it is what it is. So, we're gonna start from the bottom and we're gonna go out to in, just like I told y'all before in the last video. Out to in, just like that. Make sure your sneaker laces are even. I can't believe I did this whole video already. Gotta do it again. Bomb, just like that. Now, we're gonna lace up 4 eyelids from out to in. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, not necessarily 4. Well, yeah, from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. We're gonna stop right in here, just like that. Y'all ready? Let's get it. I'm gonna go super fast, so. Hold up, y'all. Let's get a little closer. All right, y'all. Now that we're up to 4 eyelids, as y'all can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is where we make our transition into hiding the rest of this string. Because what we're doing is we're giving off the Union to LA vibes, as y'all seen in the thumbnail and y'all seen in the previous video. Now, we're just gonna put these laces together like this. As you can see, I just did. And all I'm gonna do is just tie them together, just like this. Boom, just like that. Just make that little knot like that, tie them together. Now here's the trick. You ready for the magic? We throw the laces behind the tongue. Pull it through, boom, just like that. Now those laces are gone forever. Now don't worry about that big knot down there. I'm gonna show y'all what to do with that later. But for right now, let's go ahead and throw these navies in there. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Just like before, we're gonna start from the outside in. We're gonna go up the rest, just like we did before. All right, y'all, so now with these laces, we take it all the way to the top, and then we're gonna give it some grip to probably about right here. Let me show y'all. The last lace hole, you go from the inside out. Clearly, that's how you give it the drip. Boom. Sit probably about right there. On this side, sit about right there. All right, now y'all got all this excess string right here. That's where you start to loose lace it. That's when you start pulling on this, tugging on these strings and going down and down, further down until you get it just right. Don't worry, it's gonna get nice, watch. Just like that, boom, boom. And you know when you got it right, when you're able to pull your tongue up and they all lay correctly. You see I still got excess string, so I need to start pulling it down some more. Just like that. Need some more. Takes a while to get it right, but once you get it, you're golden. And that's it, just like that. That's it. That is it, just like that. Now you see I still got this, I still keep the shape of the shoe. We got a little bit of swag on the side, just like that. Now, the shape of the shoe is important. This is what I be telling y'all. This shape right here, this is what makes Jordan 1s dope. It's this shape right here. I mean, a lot of the other guys, when they tighten it up, the shoe looks crazy. I mean, let me see if I can show y'all the difference. Hold up. All right, so look, I laced this Jordan 1 bread toe all the way up. Look at the shape of it. Look at the bird's eye view. Looks horrible. The second I put my foot in here, first of all, I can't even pull a tongue up. I got no tongue on the shoe. But the shape of it's horrible. Thank God the leather on here is amazing. Second you put your toe in here, this is creased. It's done, it's done. But you see the shape, it's more squared off now. It goes up and down and down and up, and then it's real flat right here at the toe box. Like, I hate it. Rather than when you see this, keeps the shape. Looks like almost like a big letter V almost. You know what I mean? Y'all see that? Perfect. I like that. That's the way, that's what gives Jordan 1s its style, its swag. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, this is how you do it. Now that I was telling you guys about this right here, this sits perfectly on the top of your foot. You'll be perfectly fine. You sit this on the top of your foot, you're good. You ain't got no problems. I was worried about that. I thought it would affect me, or I would feel it, you know, pressing on my foot, being uncomfortable, but it doesn't. It sits up there just fine, doesn't bother nothing, and that's it, man. You be swagged out just like that. This is how you do it. Let me know if you guys are doing y'all laces like this, and if you do, man, find me on Instagram, send me a picture, or take a picture of your shoe and tag me in it, man, definitely. But hopefully this tutorial helped out for you guys. Here's the other shoe right here. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm gonna be rocking them, just like that, swagged out. And you see, I still got the shape of my shoe. Without further ado, hope you guys like this tutorial. It is your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.